Oh, right here already? Okay. Yeah. We're doing it. Wow, amazing.
Yo, this looks nice.
Yeah. Good job, mommy.
Look. Ropes.
Restroom, robes. All right, all right, all right. We got a living room, and we got a king bed. Ooh, ooh, and our big screen TV. Ooh wee. See, I like it because look at the studio. Nice. Wow, that's cool.
Big mirror.
Are you so happy? Are you so happy? Are you so happy? Are you so happy? Where you go? Look at that. You have shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel. Studio. We wore a robe already. Got the shower, rain shower. Yeah. What is this, a dryer? Okay. Ready, ready? I woke up like this. The second day here. And not Lancaster, but it's Pennsylvania. We're going to, where are we going? Cherry Farm, and we're gonna watch Sight and Sound.
Sight and Sound Theater.
You better not cry. Or you better not talk all over.
Use your inside voice, Bella.
Yeah, Daddy.
Say,
Hi.
love you.
You're waiting for Daddy. So nice in here. Right? Right, Bella Bear? Say I love you. I love you. And don't pull your shirt. I love you. Okay, we're breakfast. I got the muffin, chocolate chip and Nutella.
And I got the famous whoopie pie.
And Bella is playing. Look at your face. Good. What is that? Like a cookie or brownie?
Cookie.
Whoa.
I made a cookie, it's like a cake. So soft. All melts in your mouth.
Good. All done. Bella's awake now too. What's that double chin doing? Double chin, double chin, double chin, double chin. Welcome to Crest Adventure Farm. There's rides, what else? Stores. Little train. Bella train. Hi Bella. Get that horsey. So peaceful, no? Not that much people in here as well, so it's good. Welcome to the farm. Yeah. We're in.
So busy.
Today's event. Farm wagon ride.
11 a.m., 12 p.m., 2 p.m., 4 p.m.
So what time is it? 11? Cherry Crest Adventure Farm where fun grows, literally. That's cute.
Oh, there's cake races.
Oh, right there. The map.
You can make butter. 12:15. Take
Butter?
A picture. Take a picture.
Yeah, we can make butter. Ooh, that's so cool.
Escape room?
Yeah, there's a farm animal experience. A lot of things to do here. 60 plus activities, no? It's so cool. Look at the goats. You wanna play with Bella? It's so cute. They want food now?
Look at that. Oh, look at the sheep.
Ooh.
Tinkerbell.
Hi,
Bella. Bella, look.
Tinkerbell.
Bella.
Who's Tinkerbell?
Tinkerbell.
It's a sheep.
Anong sabi ng sheep?
Ba ba. Sige, sir.
She's scared?
Oh no, because I have that. Ba ba.
Anong sabi ng sheep?
And oh, that's cute. Small little goat. Get some duck little trivia. Did you know that a male duck is called Drake? And there's the three little piggies. Oops, two. The wolf was here. So they're not here right now. They have a pig race. We'll watch the pig race, though. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Pop, 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 pop. How do you say that? How do you do that? Gobble. What? It's made out of corn? All of those?
There's corn in there.
What? There's corn. But don't eat them. You don't eat them, kids. I love taking care of them. You should take care of this. When I was younger.
Bella, look.
Ready? Falling asleep. They're falling asleep on mommy. Look, the chick is falling asleep.
Ready, hold them over.
Yeah. Touch it. Wow. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Chicky, chicky.
Bella.
Alright, hold on.
Daddy's milking a cow. Honey. It's always done. There you go. Food. The booby pie is always there. There's food here so you don't have to go out. Food and drink. Ice cream. You can eat lunch now.
6 or 7 weeks, at which point they're then about 6 or 7 pounds. As we peek through the buildings here, you'll see that red brick building with the lights on the back of it. That's the Sweet Shop Best Fudge in all of Lancaster County. Farmers, what they do is they pick up the fieldstone, which around here is mostly limestone. They would layer it there in the kiln, and they would set the wood on fire. Now it'll take about a week or so. The temperature inside the kiln would get up to about 900 degrees Fahrenheit, and that would change the limestone into lime. A little bit of rejuvenation from the previous year. Of course, we are getting ready to go back to school, and we all need to get back into practice. So I can tell you that the limestone calcium carbonate decomposes upon heating to produce calcium oxide, which is lime, and carbon dioxide gas. Guess what I teach? Exciting parts about being the wagon driver is that you have to talk about the beef when it appears. And here it appears over here, off on the left-hand side. We have 3 basic varieties here, the brown houses. Each of the chicken houses holds 25,000 chickens, and on the south-facing roof of each of those houses there are solar panels, and those solar panels...
Victor's gonna try the apple blaster.
Whoa, nice shot.
Go ahead, Jay. Go ahead. Oh, you got it. I didn't.
Did you get it?
I didn't get it.
What do you want me to hit? The skunk?
Sure. Ooh, you got it.
Ooh, close. You're 2 to the right again. You can come a little to the left. 2 to the left. Nice. Where are you going for next? Squirrel, that's a skunk. Ooh. Oh.
There you go. There's a lot more to do in here. Hi, Bella. 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 Hi. Hi. Whee! Do it. Put a ring on it, and I'll say yes.
Almost, Bella.
Daddy almost got it. fail
600
hoist.
pounds. 400 pounds.
400 pounds. You think you can do it?
Yeah.
Don't break your back. No? How about 1 to 1? Oh. Looking right. That's cool. There's a lot more things to do here.
Slow motion.
They have big fans in here in case you get hot. Nice, top dog. There you go.
Put in their arm.
Here, Bella. Yum yum. Good. Mommy's gonna hold it. Hey, Mommy's gonna hold it. Our next stop is in Sight and Sound Theater. We are going to watch Esther show. Story about Esther from the Bible. So yeah.
Sight and Sound, Queen Esther.
Maybe next time we can watch the David.
They do it in seasons.
Next year, no?
Christmas, they have a Christmas one.
It's large. It's huge. Say hi. Hi, Bella. We're at the largest buffet
In the U.S.
in the U.S. It's,
Maple Shady.
and it's a thumbs
Delicious. A lot of American food, but they make it excellent. Really good.
Excellent.
Really good.
Bella approved. You ate a lot, right, Bella? Yes.
The desserts are unbelievable.
Yummy.
Bella, what you doing there? What you doing there? What you doing there? What you doing there?
It smells good.